Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to set on and off the Keytone on your Casioak. This tutorial is going to work for all Casioaks that feature the module 5611. The Keytone is going to refer to that beeping sound that you hear when you press the buttons. So what you want to do is to press and hold the adjust button for 3 seconds. You are going to hear a small beep, and then we are going to use the mode button in order to toggle between different options. I'm going to go past the setting of time and date, and right afterwards we are going to see the Keytone, as you can see right here. If I press the light or the start button, you are going to switch between on and off. As you can see, now we have mute. In order to finalize the process, we are going to press the adjust button and your setting is going to be saved. As you can see now, if I press the mode button, I won't be able to hear any sound. If you want to put it back on, we are going to press and hold the adjust button. Once again, do the same process, arrive at the Keytone function, and then I'm going to put it on and we are going to see this key. In order to finalize, as I mentioned, we are going to press the adjust button and voila, the Keytone is now going to be activated. So guys, that was the quick tutorial. In case you enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I have a full guide with all the functions and features of the Casioak, link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out in case you want to know how to do all the settings, how to use the world time function, the alarms, the chronograph, and also how to align the watch hands of the watch after your battery replacement. Also guys, if you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see next, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.